Hi, in this lecture we'll go over the steps to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows. This is because we need a tool for create, build and execute C# applications. And we choose VS Code because it's lightweight, free, open source and cross-platform that works across Windows, Linux and macOS. Okay, first of all, let's check our Windows is 64-bit or 32 bits. So, open the command prompt and type wmic os get OS architecture. Okay, press enter. So, my Windows is 64-bit. Alright, in order to download VS Code, open up your favorite browser and go to google.com and search for download Visual Studio Code and click on first one. That takes us to the code.visualstudio.com/download and we get a page that's similar to this. We've got different options for Windows, Linux and macOS. Select one of these options based on your operating system. So I'm going to select that option and that's going to download the VS Code installer. You can see it downloading down here at the bottom and wait for the download to complete. So it's complete. First, get rid of the browser and run the installer. Okay, for the first step, accept the license agreement and select next. This step is for setup destination location and I suggest leave it alone and select the next. Leave this step alone too and next. In these steps, I suggest select all these options and select next. Then finally press install. Once we're done, it asks us to launch the VS Code. Okay, click on finish. When you open the VS Code for first time, you see some basic settings. We choose dark theme and click on the markdown. Okay, that's it. In the next lecture, we're gonna teach you how to install .NET SDK on Windows. See you there.